In preparation for Blue Monday, apparently the most depressing day of the year, here's a few little tricks to brighten ourselves up. And I'll include premium budget in each idea. For the complexion, use a hybrid product. Skincare, a bit of makeup in it, it's all done in one. This is the Trini BFF De-Stress. More budget friendly is the e.l.f. Cameo CC Cream. So these are the kind of things where you have moisturiser, treatment, and a little bit of colour to boost and glow the skin in one product. We're keeping it really simple. For lips, I'm going with Charlotte Tilbury Magic Lip Oil on one side, and on the other side, never underestimate budget-friendly Vaseline. And that's it. No mascara to darken the eyes. Write down 3 gratitudes a day. It will put you in a more positive mindset. Wake up to flowers in your bedroom. Hyacinths have the most sensual scent, and you can get sunshine happiness with budget-friendly daffodils. Play your favourite track really loud and get moving, even if it's just star jumps. Candlelight gives a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Tea lights work just as well, and battery-operated candles. And for extra coziness, I've thrown a faux fur rug over the table.